The material that I'm going to cover for this week is really going to be divided into 2 weeks. So week 7 is really week 7 and week 8. And what I want everyone to do is to focus on chapter 8 in Cohen and Cohen, West and Aiken, and read this material very carefully, because what I'm going to do is for this week, and I'll have these all appropriately noted on the website, that I want everybody to go through dummy coding, excuse me, and then unweighted effects coding, and then weighted effects coding. And then we'll go into contrast coding and nonsense coding the following week, and then wrap it up. And the reason why I'm doing this kind of deliberately in small pieces is that this tends to be a pretty complicated set of operations to interpret. And also, as I described in class this last week, is that the operations of coding is an essential bridge between multiple regression and correlation and ANOVA in the general linear model. So if you get this material, if you understand it, you can use regression as a single tool to handle all sorts of ANOVA type problems, as well as MRC type problems, that's multiple regression and correlation, as well as the hybrid, which is ANCOVA. And so this this material enables you as a data analyst to be very flexible within the GLM. And things get a little complicated when we start talking about not just main effects. Main effects can be complicated, but interpreting interactions as well as interpreting mediation effects. So for the next 2 weeks, what we're going to do is we're going to try to fold in categorical and nominal predictors into everything that we've been doing so far. So stay tuned for this. I'm going to introduce a little bit of how we deal with these things and then go right into the coding. Okay? So stay tuned for lots of brief videos.